Just forget it. This tooth cover is a bit heavy.
Do you think you can get it like this? Should we remove it? Yeah. Did you get rid of it? It was scraped out from inside. No.
There's not enough space, we can't get it straight.
Just scrape off that white thing from the back.
Yes, it can't fall. No, who can't fall? It hangs on the bowl. It says hanging on the bowl makes it hurt.
Wow, so big. Okay. Then I...
It looks like you're about to remove the cover quickly.
At first I tried to remove it but didn't. Let it be, there's nothing, right? Since I came back a couple of days ago after getting the number, I went running with them. While running, it felt strong in the evening.
Wow, touch it. It's cleaned up. It won't hang anymore.
That was stepped on by your classmate, right? 180 gene, a big guy, 180 gene. Look, everyone with fractures has recovered and is back in class.
Help, okay? I'll help you.
All right. I don't know why I'm always being pulled by you. I don't know why I'm always being pulled by you.
I don't know why I'm always being pulled by you.